In this video, you'll learn how to exclude a segment in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to refine your email campaigns by ensuring that specific segments are not included in your recipient list. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp website URL. Once the page loads, you should see your account dashboard, which displays your campaigns and audience statistics. Next, locate the Create button. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. Clicking on Create will present you with options to start a new campaign, among other features. After selecting this, you will be directed to the campaign creation interface. After that, click on the Begin button to start creating your new campaign. This action will take you to the next step of the campaign setup process. You should now see options to configure your campaign details. Once this appears, look for Close option. Clicking on Close will allow you to access additional settings for your campaign. You will see a confirmation box confirming that you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now click on the To section. This will lead you to the audience selection screen where you can manage your recipient list. Ensure that you are on the correct page, as it will display your audience settings. Following this, locate and select the Do Not Send To option. This section allows you to exclude specific segments from your email campaign. After clicking this, a new interface will appear where you can manage your exclusions. Click on Select or Search Segment to Exclude. This will open a drop-down or searchable list of your existing segments. You should see a variety of segments listed here, which you can choose from to exclude from your campaign. Next, select the Segments option. This will direct you to a page that shows all the segments you've created or imported into Mailchimp. You will recognize this page by its clear segmentation options. Proceed by clicking on Do Not Use. This option will confirm your choice to exclude the selected segment from your email campaign. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the segment has been successfully excluded. Finally, click on the Save button to ensure that all your changes are applied. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your campaign settings have been updated successfully. This step is crucial to finalize your exclusions and prepare your campaign for sending. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.